y'all, welcome back to Spirit of the Outdoors. We're gonna do a little cooking at the cabin over here. Y'all have seen this cabin a time or two, but I hadn't done a lot of filming over here, and I've always had the intentions I was gonna come over here and do a whole bunch of filming, build a fire in this fireplace. Well, my dad's got a fire going. We got the roof cleaned off today. It was covered with pine straw, and it's a big one-room cabin, so we're gonna cook some deer meat, deep fried backstrap tonight. Over there, that's some deer I killed years ago. There's one my dad killed back several years ago. So anyway, got the fire rolling. And Brody and his mama's in. We got deer meat cut up right here. There's flour and probably a little bit of cornmeal. So what we do from there, we're just dropping it off down deep in there. And you see that's got grease all on it, but it's right about 250. And that's pretty much how we cook backstrap. Brody, come show him your elbow. He has tripped and failed and cut his elbow up. Y'all, we got some out. We're gonna sample and see what it tastes like. Oh man. It'll come all to pieces in their back. That's good. Like cooking in those cast iron. Now that thing right there, cook it too now. We got the lights on now. Dog found some straps.
Talk about Lacey when she was at
What's in that gravy? Oh, there's a pan of biscuits somewhere.
Yeah.
Rice. There's some butter beans. Some of y'all gonna call them lima beans, but they ain't. Oh, look at that.
Tater casserole.
Y'all, we finna do some meat right here.
Lord, we thank you for this day. We thank you for the many blessings you've given us. We pray, Lord, that you bless this food. That it might give us strength and health in Jesus' name. Amen.